Welcome! I'm here to give you a brief overview of Graphite Connect and guide you through the process of responding to your customer's invitation. Graphite takes the security of your data very seriously. Every supplier entering the Graphite network is required to use two-factor authentication via SMS or an authentication app to secure their account. You may also be asked to do a short identity verification similar to what LinkedIn uses to verify user accounts. If you're asked to complete this GDPR-compliant process, you'll show a government ID and take a quick selfie. If you are unable to complete this step, a member of the Graphite support team can assist you in completing your onboarding. When your customer initiates the onboarding process with your company, you'll receive an email from Graphite Connect. Click the Accept Invite button in the email to access Graphite Connect. Having access to your company's tax information, like a W-9, will speed up your onboarding process. Once in Graphite Connect, click on the Get Started button. Here, you'll create a personal account by verifying your name and email and creating a password for your account. If a colleague of yours is better suited to accept the invitation, you can click the Redirect Invite button, which will send an invitation email to them. After you have created your password, click Next. In this next screen, you'll create a company profile. These questions are asked to ensure you're creating a unique company profile and that a fellow employee at your company hasn't already created one. If someone has created a profile for your company, you'll be prompted to request access prior to proceeding with the next steps. After answering all required questions, click Next. You'll be required to add a secondary user to approve the banking information you provide and to help in company account recovery. If your company is small or doesn't have an additional authorized user, you'll be required to perform a verification call with Graphite Connect's support team later on in the onboarding process. By requiring this approval process, Graphite Connect protects you and your customer from the growing risk of fraudulent payment requests. Click Next, and you'll see a quick overview of how Graphite Connect works. Click Continue. Welcome to your Connection Overview page. This page shows an overview of all the necessary information your customer needs to do business with you. Complete each section sequentially, or use the table of contents on the left to navigate to a specific section. Notice at the top of your screen is a taskbar. You will see this taskbar anytime there are open tasks in relation to your customer. This taskbar has a Start Task button that will direct you to the next required task and will remain at the top of your screen as you progress. Click the Start Task button. Starting a task will open the relevant section of required questions. The first section is the company summary. Fill out any required questions marked in yellow, like your company description or DBA. Once you have completed the required questions, click the Save and Complete Task button. This will save your responses and close the section. The taskbar will process and show your next required task. Click on the Start Task button again and continue through all required tasks and sections of your company profile. If a section requires input from a colleague at your company, you can invite and delegate the section to them. Click the Assign Users button in the section's banner, fill out the form, and then click the Invite User button. Your colleague will receive an invite email and will be directed to the delegated topic upon creating a user account for themselves. After filling out all required questions in your company profile, your final task is to certify that your responses are correct and up to date. This task will redirect you to the Connection Overview page, where you'll confirm and submit your responses. Now you're all done after completing this task. While you may have completed all the work that you can do, there will potentially be one final pending task if your customer requested banking information. This task, seen on the Connection Overview page, shows that your colleague needs to review and approve the banking information that you provided. Reach out to your colleague to speed up the process. Once all tasks are completed, your customer will be notified. Your company information will be validated by Graphite Connect, and your customer will perform risk reviews as necessary. Any clarifications or questions to your responses will be communicated through the application and email, so please be sure to watch for any message to ensure the onboarding process is expedited. Log back in anytime to check your onboarding progress. The homepage displays a card for your customer. You can expand these cards by clicking them to reveal more information, like the process workflow, pending tasks, and task owners. If your customer uses Graphite Connect for contracts, you'll receive a new email invitation to review and sign. Follow the provided link or log in to complete the necessary steps. That's Graphite Connect, an application that makes connecting with your customer quick. With your data securely encrypted and protected, connecting with additional customers on Graphite Connect is even faster. Just a click of a button. Explore our other supplier solutions like ClickShare or Graphite Responder to see how Graphite Connect can make responding to RFXs easier.